So I'm discuss very important topic. If you're promoting any my website to advertise on Facebook to Twitter option, I'm logging just only for Facebook. I can promote my business Facebook and Twitter also. Facebook and Twitter also. So first of all, select my blog post. Which post I'm promoting in the blogs? Select any one in this. First, you can go to your Facebook and Twitter. Some people asking one question here. Sir, my Twitter will be Gmail, my Facebook is Yahoo. There is no problem. You can log in for same browser. You can connect with the Facebook to Twitter. The URL will be called facebook.com/Twitter. This is option will give you by the already Facebook option. This is not for any third-party tools, any other tools. Here, which one you link with? Some update regular post on my Facebook profile. It update to the my Twitter also. There one. But here, small issue is there. What are the link will be shared? It will show to the Facebook page to Twitter, profile to Twitter. But if I'm adding the video into Facebook, they're not showing as is video into Twitter one. Only link will be promoted. Why? They need generating website traffic. Just you can one login, you can promote your website link will be two options. One is called Facebook, second will be Twitter. So now I'm connecting only for pages. Right now, how many pages we have? 2 pages. So remember purpose, I'm changing for my page image here. Just I'm updating for image. You can easily find out by here. Refresh. Which I can change. This I have to change. Link with the Twitter. And some people asking one question. So how many pages we connect by one Twitter account? Your 100 pages connect by one Twitter account is possible. You have the 100 pages, you connect by one Twitter account possible. What are the you can post in 100 pages? Will show by the page and Twitter also. Link with here. This is integration is nothing but only for promote your website purpose. Promote your website purpose. Done. Now, coming to your website, I'm selecting this option. Select here. Click for where? Facebook. That I'm sharing to where? Facebook. I have to show where? Twitter also. When I'm sharing for link will be Facebook. Automatically showing where? Twitter also. Now I can come into this. Once I select it. Image compulsory mandatory. Upload it. SEO. PPC. Nothing but Google AdWords. Searching. Select your page. Which page? Select one and click for post. In posting time, you can tag any person also, your friends. Any person you can tag this. Is it clear? And check in. Where it is located by check in. Check in will be and give this my company name. Now click for post. Then my post. Go to your page. Previous any posts are there? 0. Now you can refresh. Now go back. Posted done. If I'm building, like going to a particular website, I'm promoting my Facebook page also. Two options I am introduced. One is I can promote my website. Second thing, promoting my Facebook page. Coming to Twitter. Click the profile. Done. I'm posting done by where? Facebook. Showing for Twitter. Suppose you have one question mark is there. So I can upload any video into my Facebook page. So when I'm upload that any suppose I go for upload the image. I'm upload the image. Just anyone. So you come into this one. Select here, matrimonial portal. Select it. Upload some images, no? Now we'll select it, check in. We can write in for my business name. Click for post. This is done by a particular post. Is it clear? Now, just refresh. Now, click for refresh. Only previous link is enabled. Now, once again, refresh. A number of times you can refresh. If you post any images and videos, they not appear by Twitter, only for link promotion purpose. There's a blogger link, a YouTube link, anything will be happen. So you go to the YouTube. Then they want to select one your channel. Selecting this. Copy, share. The simple options where you can go for Facebook, that option. Below any Facebook, below each option is a share option is there. Where you can go for Facebook. Compulsory use hashtag compulsory important. Here will be option. Here also checking will be there. Where you can checking will be use. There only existing options are there. We can't change. I click for post to Facebook. Refresh. Done. Now going to refresh. Done. What are the promotion you done by Facebook to Twitter? Only promote by the links, not for the images, not for the videos. These are drawbacks. Advantages to increase traffic from Facebook and Twitter. Drawback, what are the images and videos we can post? News used to upload the video by where? Particular Facebook to Twitter option. Please note on that option.